Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna do an eyeshadow review with it's like a collection review with the Bretman Rock and Colourpop collection. I got this stuff from the Wet collection because I don't know, I gravitated towards it. Like this packaging is, I love it. I love the pictures. I got the lip kit one and I got the blush. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I'm doing with the look, keep on watching. Yeah, let's start off with the eyeshadow. So yeah, we got the Wet collection. It looks like this when you take it off the packaging. It just looks like glitter and I love it, but the glitter does come off, so beware if you guys get it. It does come off, but hey, it looks really pretty, really bomb. So yeah, inside this is what it looks like. Can you bend it all the way? Yes, you can, bitch. Okay. So yeah, this is the colors you could get, and let's get to swatching. I like this one better than the Lit collection because I have a lot of warm tones. Like in the Lit collection, it was like a yellow, some red, some brown, like a warmy, orangey, yellow palette. And I already have like a lot of those colors, so I don't really have a lot of blues. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a blue eyeshadow look with this, using only these shadows from this palette. So let's get to swatching, hoes. It's called Finished with the question mark, and I did see his review video. Oh my god, reveal video. It was so fucking funny. So yeah, I actually never had Colourpop eyeshadows before, so this is an experience. It's like a light blue. Like, it's not really white, it's like a light blue, almost white. See, this is what it looks like. Okay, it's like a base color, like you could set your lids with it. I might do that today, who knows. But yeah, that's Finished. The next color is called I'm Chillin'. Basically what I say to guys when they ask me what I'm doing. I'm just chilling. How about you, ho? Okay, it's really hard to make blues, so this is really good for a blue palette. Well, for a blue color so far. The next one I got is LOL I'm Crying. This one's funny. Ooh, that's pretty. That's cute. It's like a shimmer, like if Sonic the Hedgehog was that girl. Alright, so next we have Skinny Legend and Basically Me, to be honest. I wish. I could never. Yeah, it's like a tan peachy transition color. So it's probably not gonna show up on my skin. Yeah, like it barely shows up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, it's there. Alright, next we have Mood. This one's kind of like out of the pan a little bit. When I swatched it, it's like moving around. So I'm gonna swatch this one right here. Ooh, that's everything. It's really pigmented. It's like a satin. I just messed it up, fuck. But yeah, it's like a satin blue, like a midnight blue. Anyway, alright, next one I have is called Fishy, and this is my goal in life, to be a fishy bitch. Oh my god, these are so creamy. I'm so impressed so far by Colourpop eyeshadows. Ooh, this one's pretty. It's like, sorry. It's like a dark green shift, if you guys can see that. It's like a dark green shift. It's like brown, dark green shift. I love that so far for us. The next one we have is Thickums. It's like a silvery glitter, not too glittery, but like, it's like a silvery blue shade, basically. I think this is my favorite color in the palette. I mean, look at that shit. That's amazing. I live for it. Bitch, yes. And then the last color we have is Iwa Beach. And it's like a brown. I like this color. I really do like this color. I feel like I have nothing like this. It's like a unique brown. It's like a good transition shade for like tan people, like darker than me. I like that color. Oh wow. So let's do an eyeshadow look with this palette. Now, start this look out. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Just because I want to. And I never used like an eyeshadow primer in a while. I don't think I have any more. I'm gonna have to buy some eyeshadow primer. So now to set the primer, I'm gonna use Finished ? On my lids. So I'm gonna do the shade I'm Chillin'. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna take Skinny Legend and blend the outer out. The shade Mood and put it on my outer, like right here area. I don't know how to describe it. I'm gonna take the shade LOL I'm Crying and put it like in the lid. I don't know how to describe it, like right here where the white is at. To make more depth, I'm gonna put Fishy in the outer V. Take the first light color LOL I'm Crying and I'm gonna put it in my like, lower tear duct. color I'm gonna use is the shade Thickums. I'm gonna put it in the inner like waterline. This is the final look for this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna put some mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look with mascara on. And girl, I'm feeling my oats right now. So anyway, the next thing we have is the blush. And it looks really like Pikachu red on camera, like his cheeks. But it's like a orangey peachy color in person, but it looks red as shit in camera. But it's not. So yeah, it's called Stop It. It's called Stop It. And it's, let's swatch it. I never had a Super Shock cheek shadow before. Oh. It's like cream. It's pigmented, but it's like a cream. Is it gonna mess up my makeup? Let's find out. So yeah. I got the angled blush brush. I'm gonna put okay, I'm gonna just put it on. I don't know how much I put on, but hey. A lot on this side and like a normal side amount on this side, and I feel horrible because it looks a mess on this side, but it looks really pretty on this side. I look like Pikachu roundness. Anyway, on to the last product that I have. Let me close this up because we have, oh wait, I need to put highlighter on. I have the Morphe and Bretman Babe in Paradise palette. So I'm gonna use that right about now. So this is not a review, but I love this palette and I used the shade Vacation. Look at it. It looks so poppin', like. So yeah, the last thing I have for you guys today is the wet lip kit. And it has 3 colors. It has a satin lip, a lip gloss, and a lip pencil. And this is what it looks like. I like the packaging. It's like water droplets, and it even has on the pencil. So the lip pencil is in the shade BFF3, and I actually really wanted this pencil a lot, so I'm happy it came with it. So this is how it looks. Ugly swatch, but it's like a brownie reddish color. Yeah, it's like almost like a brown, a little bit of red. It's cute. I like it. Then we have She Cute, which is like a peachy nude, which I love. I suck at swatch. It's cute. It's like a Your Lips But Better moment. I love it. It kind of matches the blush. It does match the blush. I'm cracking up. And then the last one we have is Kumquat, which is like a light blue. It smells so good. It smells like caramel. Normally the glosses doesn't smell like anything, but it smells good. Oh. But when you put it on, it's like a clear gloss. Alright. So, let's start with the lip pencil. It looks really pretty. So now, and this is how much I use. It's not that bad. It's kind of slanted, but. So now onto the lips. Liquid lipstick. Anyway, last thing from this lip kit is the lip gloss, Kumquat. And I really want to leave this look by itself, but I want to showcase the lip gloss. So I'm gonna mess up the wand. I hate doing like putting on the wand because it's gonna mess up the wand. So pray for me, guys. I like the lip gloss a lot because it's clear, which is a must. This is an everyday good lip gloss. And also, it smells like caramel. It smells really good. I can't stop. Oh, it smells so fucking good. It smells like caramel. Like, guys, this collection made me look bougie on a budget. Like, the eyeshadow look makes me look fucking bomb. I love this eyeshadow look. This is passable. This blush is okay. Like, it makes, like, a little bit goes a long way with this blush. See? Look like Pikachu. And I didn't know it was a cream. I thought it was gonna be like a powder. But the blush is okay. I don't really know how I feel about it yet. I have to use it more. But this lip kit, bitch, is everything. If you guys need anything from this lip collection, get the lip kit. Because I know some people don't like blue eyeshadow. But bitch, get the lip kit. If anything from this collection, the lip kit is $12, I think, or $18. But it comes with a satin lip, the lip gloss, and the lip pencil. Like, it's everything you need to do an ombre lip or like a glossy lip. Ooh. Look at oh no. It tastes like candy corn. It's a little bit goopy because I put too much, but hey. This only means you need a little bit. But anyway, so yeah, guys. I hope you guys love this collection video. If you did, you already know what to do, honey. Give it a big old thumbs up. Okay, guys? I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this. And yeah, I love you, my moon babies.